Good morning everyone! Today we're here at BGC, specifically at 26th Street. And we're heading to 5th Avenue where the 3D LED screen is to meet with my best friend there. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa pag-explore ng street na to. Ano kaya ang makikita natin dito for today's video? 10 more seconds to wait. Wow, si Kuya parang hindi na nag-antay, ha?
Oh, sure talaga ako. High Street. Ito sa Street.
Sobrang ganda maglakad-lakad, tumakbo dito, as in, ang presko pa.
Ganda naman.
Dadaanan namin to sa The Fort BGC. Ang daming Toyota Yaris and meron din naman iba pang mga model ng sasakyan dito. Itong nasa left side na car is Nissan 370Z, nasa right is Nissan 350Z. Finally, nagkita na kami ni Beshi. It's been 6 years since last kaming nagkita sa Bicol. We ate our lunch here at Din Tai Fung. Parehas namin first time kumain dito. And natagal lang kami dito kumain, mga 2 hours kami. Syempre kain, tapos super catch up talks. Ganon.
Museum na pala. Totoo sa, kasi ko rin yung dito, di ko rin nahalata nung punta ko rin dito dati. Jinju. Discover the Korean flavors. Wow. Big words. May you find comfort here?
I think yung location dito is nasa may B1 building. Lane O, basta sa likod to nung building na malapit sa time zone. And mostly parking area.
Parking race. Parkingan pala to. Ito, anime pa ba to? Pero na may dumaan na nakabay.
If you're near the 3D LED screen and you're looking for a photogenic spot, I recommend this spot, yung malapit sa may mga bike parking areas. Kasi look at that! Especially if maaraw na maaraw, ang ganda mag-picture. Time check, it's 4 p.m. and we're waiting for my other best friend here. And ito lang mga nakikita ko. Ang dami naka-costume because Halloween is near. Finally, beshi number 2 is here and nakampas pa siya ng papel.
Tawang-tawa yan.
Okay, so tumingin kami dito ng mga books sa fully booked. This is in B6, Bonifacio High Street, still in BGC, and I like their planners. And actually hanggang 3rd floor ata tong building nila.
Yard to eh. Sandra. Motion picture camera. Electric toaster. Ito, Hubble Space Telescope lang. Filmmaker. Timers. Ito, literal na first time. Ako hindi naman. Second time, pero maraming first time ang sila. Oo. Pagpang number. Ano number talaga? Mga party ka na baby girl na kids section pa lang ito. Baby girl na ano yan? Uy, ang ganda mo na.
Hawakan mo ang bigat.
Uy, may dala na nga. Yung may dala na nga akong bag, tapos pinahawakan mo pa sa akin. Magkano yan?
So, ano pa lang siya mga 599.
Oo nga, totoo pala. Hindi pala nag-joke.
Let us now check out their perfumes. So our top 3, first is Intense. Second is this OUD 5 leather. And lastly, the Bogus 5 leather. Ang babango nilang lahat. We are now here where the 3D LED screen is. And ang technique dito, pag nag-shot kayo, igitna nyo yung points na yan. And then, igitna nyo rin yung sa grid. Ayan, nakita nyo, diba? Para makuha nyo talaga yung pagka 3D. Let me just end this by saying that I am so grateful meeting my 2 best friends in a day. And sa ibang location naman, hindi na sa Bicol. Lahat kasi kami taga Bicol eh. It's a rare opportunity kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit kami mag-meet due to schedules and syempre location naming tatlo now and in the future. Especially that ako lang naman yung common friend nila. And this day lang din sila nag-meet. And I think naging super mag-friends din sila. Sana na-enjoy nyo to educational tour natin sa BGC. Charot. Just kidding. But seriously, I hope you guys learned many things in our short journey here in BGC, and kulang pa nga to eh, but next time I hope I can explore more about the city and of course share the journey with those who are curious to learn about the place, ganon. Sana nga may part 3, may part 4 pa to. Anyway, you can watch my other videos during my stay here in Manila.